Hello and welcome. In this project, we will create a serverless registration form using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB. The project involves building a serverless web application that allows users to submit their information through a registration form, which will be then stored in a DynamoDB table. This project is a great way to learn about the basics of serverless architecture and how to build serverless applications using AWS services. By the end of this project, you will be able to create and configure a DynamoDB table, create an IAM role, Lambda function, set up an API gateway endpoint, and enable Chorus for cross-domain requests. You will also learn how to work with Python and AWS SDK for Python, that is Boto3 library. This project will help you gain hands-on experience in building serverless applications, which are becoming increasingly popular due to their scalability, cost effectiveness, and ease of deployment. So let's get started and learn how to create a serverless registration form using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB. With this project, you will not only gain valuable technical skills, but also have a real-world project that you can add to your portfolio or showcase to potential employers. So if you're ready to dive into the world of serverless architecture and learn to build serverless registration form using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB, let's get started.